everyone! Today you're going to learn your multiplication facts multiplying by 4 here in lesson 100 part 1. So let's say I've been thinking about putting the desks in our classroom into groups of 4, and I'm wondering how many groups of 4 there would be. So I'm going to figure that out by making this table. So I want to figure out how many groups of 4 there are. So of course I have 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And I want to know how many desks I'm going to have. So in one group of 4, I'm going to have 4 desks. In 2 groups of 4, I'll have 8 desks. And in 3 groups of 4, I will have 12 desks. Okay. What about the next one? So 4 groups of 4 would be 16. 5 groups of 4 would be 20. 6 groups of 4 would be 24. 7 groups of 4 would be 28. 8 groups of 4 would be 32. 9 groups of 4 would be 36, and 10 groups of 4 would be 40. We can use this table to help us learn the multiplying by 4 facts. So, if I have 0 groups of 4, my answer is going to be 4. If I have 1 group of 4, 0 groups of 4 is going to be 0, because I don't have anything. See, it's okay to make mistakes as long as you realize you did. Alright. So, next would be 1 group of 4 is 4. 2 groups of 4 is 8. 3 groups of 4 is 12. 4 groups of 4 is 16. 5 groups of 4 is 20. Remember, just this times symbol means groups of. You can also say it as 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 4 is 36, 10 times 4 is 40, 11 times 4 is 44, and 12 times 4 is 48. Now you may have seen these learning wrap-ups at school, and sometimes you have them on here. So just to remind you how to use it, you connect the lines between the multiplication. So 1 times 4, so 1 times 4 equals 4. So I would draw a line from the 1 to the 4. Okay. 3 times 4 is 12, which is up here. So this line would go up like this. 12 times 4 is 48. So I would draw the line like, oops, I missed. Draw the line from there to there. Okay. And you continue from there. All right. The second part of this lesson is problem solving. So this one is about making an organized list to solve a problem. So here in my problem it says, Mrs. Canaris put the children's desks in groups so that 3 desks are next to one another. Show all the different ways Rusty, Amy, and Shannon can sit next to one another. So we want to show all the ways they can sit next to each other, these three friends. Okay, and I know that they're in groups of 3 desks next to each other. So I have 3 seats. There's seat 1, there's seat 2, and there's seat 3. Okay? So what is the first way they can sit? Well, to make it easy, I'm going to use a letter to be each student. So Rusty will be R, Amy will be A, and Shannon will be S. So the first way they can sit is Rusty could be first, and Amy could be second, and Shannon could be third. But it also could be Rusty first, Shannon second, and Amy third. Okay, so what if Amy sits first? Well, if Amy sits first, then next to her could be Rusty and then Shannon. Or if Amy sits first, it could be Shannon and then Rusty. All right, what if Shannon sits first? Okay, well, Shannon could sit next to Rusty and then to Amy. Or Shannon could sit next to Amy and then Rusty. And that's all the combinations we can have. So that's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 different ways that the 3 friends can sit next to each other. And that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.